sa park muna. Ayan, kasama namin. Say hi! Nagwawala na.
Ayun na yun sa'yo.
So yan. And then bus. Okay. Puntang airport. Mga kasama namin. And syempre, delayed na naman. Delayed na naman po kami. Supposedly 3 something, 4:20 na ata kami. 3:30 na, 4:20 na. So, ikot-ikot naman muna.
So, ayan guys, nandito na naman tayo. Ito na naman yung paborito nating tambayan, Burger King. So, wala tayong ibang makain, kundi burger. Okay.
And time check.
Time check is...
Merelo kayo. 2:20.
2:20.
4:30 pa.
4:30 pa tayo.
4:30, 4:20.
4:30. Ang mangyayari, pupunta tayo ng stress ng border. Anong border? Boarding?
Isa yun. Okay. O, diba? Sobrang dami ng tao kasi delay po halos lahat. You can see daming tao po. Run! 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 Oh, ayan na ako! Ayan na. Delay pa rin.
Delay pa rin kami. 2 oras.
2 oras ng delay.
Hindi naman, daming tao. For delay.
Free drinks kasi delay. Free drinks. Ayan na. Sabi mo. Oh, hi na. Nathan. Nathan. Nathan na. Alam mo ba, benta mo na. Hi, Nathan. Hi, say hi muna. Hi. Yes, finally. Daddy.
Yes, finally.
Finally. Yeah.
Sa ilang oras na
Or ilang oras na delay. Makakasakay na rin. Oh my good life. Hi, finally. Finally. Makakababa na rin tayo.
So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Dalaman Airport. We're heading back to Drogheda. I'm sorry. We're heading to our hotel. Okay, makikita natin ngayon.
Immigration pa.
Oh. Parang malayo to.
Ayun.
So ayun, nakuha na namin.
Welcome. We came at 5 a.m. and here we're having a breakfast at 7.
So,
Good job.
diba? May energy pa. Mga 3 a.m. na today. And papunta pa lang na hotel. So, ito yung van. Yes. Yeah.
Bongga naman naman.
Kaya nga eh. Van. Ito po yung van namin. At ano bro?
Mercedes van.
Diba?
Ako bongga naman.
Go na. Where do you walk?
Yes. Wow. So fabulous.
So,
Fabulous.
It looks like a.
where do you want
It
to
looks
go?
like a robot.
You want to?
Nathan, papasok na.
Ano ba? Tatlo. Ayun yung car seat means.
May car seat na.
Oo.
O diba, social ng sasakyan namin, going to our hotel, meron yang TV at may drinks pa.
Finally, we are here
Sa
na.
hotel na tayo.
We
Sa
are in La
Marmaris.
Branda.
Maris.
Maris. At time check 4:22 na po.
4:22.
So, check-in time na for La Granda, Maris. So, here it is. Sarado pa. Come, let's go here. So, let's go first the door. Because it's too late now. And what's this? Oh, this is the bathroom. So, supposedly, bungalow. Dapat kami, ewan ko, na-change. So, ito yung CR. And by the way, may bracelets po ang bawat isa. Ewan namin. Para sa, hindi ko alam. So, ito naman yung bathroom. And the thing is, yeah. So, walang shampoo and conditioner. So, tama nga.
Hindi siya uso.
Ito is storage area.
Okay.
Storage. So, yan. And we have a big mirror. May big mirror tayo. Diyan. And this is the bed. And then there's a sofa. May bottle water. May mga minutes naman siya. May small TV. Ayan, may small TV. And then there's a ref. May juice and I'm not sure kung that's a complimentary or what. So we're not sure about that. I'm sorry. And meron
Dictionary.
No.
Activities.
Something. Bar, restaurant, ganun. And ayan, yung small sofa. And we are... Sorry, hindi ko alam kung paano siya buksan.
Yan.
So, medyo madilim na siya. Oh, we have a terrace then. Sorry.
Baliktad.
Baliktad. No. Sorry, hindi ko alam.
Yan.
Ayun. So, madilim siya. May terrace na. Madilim na siya.
Malamig. Oh, no, sa ano? View ng dagat.
Okay.
Kaya pala.
So, madilim pa siya. Let's see na lang. Let's see.
Ang ganda. Maganda.
Okay naman na siya.
Ang laki.
Paano? Malaki naman. And there you are, guys. So, alas 5 na ng umaga. So, we need to sleep muna. Dahil para mamaya may energy pa. So, that's it.
For the day.
For our travel time from Ireland going here to Turkey sa Dalaman. Bye. See you in our next vlog.